Hello there, my name is Reis Idaham and I am joined by my talented team members Auzang, Demetrius Tzamaras, and Maisie Tran. And together we've developed a project that's not only timely but also essential given today's climate, a Python weather data visualization tool.
Hi everyone, my name is Ao. Today I'm going to talk about the concept behind our project, the real-time weather data visualization tool. Our main goal was to develop a tool that provides instant weather visualizations for various locations, enhancing decision making for activities like travel and event planning. The importance of the accurate and timely weather information cannot be overstressed. It's crucial for safety and efficient planning across various sectors, including agriculture, transportation, and even management. Our tool aims to make this critical data easily accessible and understandable.
Hi, I'm Maisie, and today I'm going to walk you through our project's design. Our system is built on three key components. First, the data fetching module, which queries the Open Weather Map API to retrieve live weather data. Next, we have the data visualization module, which utilizes powerful libraries like Matplotlib and Plotly to create dynamic graphs and interactive heat maps, bringing data to life. Lastly, our user interface module offers a straightforward command line interface that simplifies user interaction with our application. All these are built using Python, making extensive use of its robust libraries to ensure a seamless experience.
Problem-solving process. Some of the challenges we faced were issues with API rate limits, integration difficulties, data accuracy and timeliness, and user interface complexities. So our problem-solving process to the issues mentioned before. We sourced alternative data providers. We used continuous refinement and integration techniques. We did validation and testing routines. And lastly, simplification of user commands.
So moving on to demo and results, before I show you the demo, I will briefly explain what the script is about. The Python script is designed to create a command line interface for a weather visualization tool. It offers multiple options for fetching and visualizing weather data using various APIs and plotting libraries. So moving on to the code, you can just run it on the terminal. Just gonna copy this and paste it on the terminal, and yeah, as you can see, it will pop up 14 different options for weather visualization, and we can start from the first one, which is current weather and map. So input 1, and it will ask which city that you want. I will choose London because I want to go there this summer, and it will pop up a graphic and shows what the current weather situation and the current temperature. And it will save a map, which I have pre-uploaded in the slides. So yeah, that's pretty much about the code. It will ask which type you want, and it will ask whether to input city, or you can choose where, and sometimes it will ask like what year do you want, and which month or day that you want specifically. So yeah, I have pre-uploaded the results in the slides to make it quicker. So yeah, this is for the first one. I have pre-uploaded before. So yeah, the map that I was talking about is this map. As you can see, it's an interactive map that you can hover and look into the location. And if you hover onto the information icon, you will see that will show the current weather over there. So moving on to the second one, which is daily temperature trends. So this is the input I have put in, which is London, and number of days, which is 3. It will show a line chart, shows the daily temperature trends in Fahrenheit. So moving on to the third one, which is a precipitation and weather events over time bar chart. So yeah, the input I put is Milan and 3 days. So it shows that it's raining probably for the next 3 days. Moving on to the fourth one, which is wind speed and direction. This is for the city of Paris for the next 3 days. As you can see from on 7th May, the prediction of the wind speed and direction is around 4 miles per second, and it's heading, and the direction is around north. For the fifth one, which is heat map of weather parameter, which I chose Baltimore. As we can see, the humidity is quite high, and I think it's because of the rainy season right now. Moving on to the sixth one, which is weather alerts timeline. So I chose Berlin, and it will show you weather alert warning, which is really cool, and the duration of the warning. As we can see, there is a risk of thunderstorm, possibly with wind gusts. Moving on to 7th, which is historical temperature data. 8th, which is precipitation data analysis. 9th, which is climate comparison across cities, which I chose Delhi and Seattle. Moving on to the 10th one, which is daily temperature and precipitation for Denver from 2006 until 2007. For the 11th one, is an extreme weather analysis scatter plot, which I chose Philadelphia on 2008 till 2009. So yeah, for this one, this is quite special because we construct a URL to download NetCDF files, which contains precipitation data for each year from the NOAA website. So it basically represents monthly precipitation data for 2012 across the contiguous United States, plotted as 3 times 4 grid, with each cell corresponding to 1 month of the year. So yeah, it shows precipitation levels. Moving on to the 13th one, which is statistical analysis of weather data. So this one, we want to show how we import CSV file, which contains daily weather data for the year 2013. So this is basically what we got for the results. So for the last but not least, weather conditions during solar eclipse, this is quite interesting because we import a text file and we import data from the text file, which include wind speed, temperature, dew point, pressure, and altitude. So yeah, this is the result that we got. So yeah, that's pretty much about the demo results. Thank you so much.